Hello, and thank you for joining me today. It's Maria Russell here with you. I'm back today for CC Designs, and we are going to create this cute summer themed card showcasing the scallop card die and the cat's summer stamp set. This stamp set features cute little kitties in different poses and scenes that you can stamp and color for your summer themed cards. And the scallop card die set features two dies, and the scallop one is just slightly bigger than an A2 size card, and then the second one die cuts this cute frame with those four little windows that you can use for any of your paper crafting projects. I've already die cut the frame using some Neenah solar white cardstock as well as the trees from a die set from my collection. So we are just going to stamp the images with Memento Rich Cocoa ink and color them in with Spectrum Noir TriBlend markers. I'm not going to show you all of the images because they're pretty much the same, but I'm going to put some music on now and I'll be right back after the coloring is done. So here are the four little kitties that we will be using for our card, and now we are ready to start building our scenes. So we will be creating four scenes for our little kitties. So the first thing to do is to ink up the background for them, and we will be using the stencil from my collection, my blending brush, and some hybrid ink to create the cloudy sky. And then to create the grass panel, I've also die cut the exact same frame using some pattern paper and this grass die from my collection. So we will be repeating those steps 4 times for our 4 little windows here. And now that we have all of the components, we can start building our scene. The first thing that we need to do is to adhere this frame on the yellow scallop pattern paper with some foam adhesive for added dimension. And then adhere the rest of the pieces together with some liquid glue. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love creating scenes for my handmade cards, and this card in particular just turned out really well because everything is just perfectly proportioned, and this die set, in my opinion, is just well thought out. So we should just finish the scene that we're building here by adhering the rest of the images. And then for the sentiment, I've already stamped the sentiment with some Versamark ink on some black cardstock that I heat set with my heating tool, and then we are just going to adhere it in the middle of this frame. We have an A2 size note card here that is top folding, and we will adhere the focal panel on this note card with some liquid glue. And then to finish the design, we will be using my white gel pen here just to add some dots to the images for added texture. And that finishes our card today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos from this channel. The supplies I use will be listed and linked in the description box. Thank you again for stopping by today, and happy crafting!